This week on Sundays with Sully, we are talking about Raymarine and their FLIR MTMS. What is that, guys? Well, stay tuned after the intro, and we're going to break it all down for you. Let's get after it. Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of Sundays with Sully. Thank you, guys, for tuning in. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below at Navtronics on YouTube to stay up to date and in the know, the latest happenings in the marine industries. And most Sundays at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, we drop another Sundays with Sully's video. And this week, guys, like I said in the intro, we are talking about the Raymarine FLIR MTMS. It's the Marine Thermal Monitoring System, formerly known as the AX8. I don't know why they changed the name. AX8 was a lot easier, but hey, that's where we are. Now, what does that thing do, guys? Well, this is a small utility room camera. Think of it, you could use this in place of your normal daylight, low light cameras for your engine spaces, hatches, compartments, things like that. But this gives us a dual payload capacity. That gives us a daylight and a thermal image viewer on here. So guys, let's take a look at it here on the screen. Something worth noting, I did a video on these probably, I don't know, 6-7 years ago. That's how long this technology's been out. But now, other manufacturers' MFDs are starting to play nice. In this situation, we are running on some Garmin 8600s. So take a look on the screen here. You're going to see we have our standard engine room camera here. This is our daylight view. As you can see here, we're actually looking at the generator space. And then if I come over here to options and I go to video setup, you're going to see an image mode right there. So if I go to image mode, it says IR, infrared, visible, that's what we're in, and MSX. So let's break it down. Obviously visible, you guys can see what that is. Now if I go to infrared, you can see we have a thermal image of the space. We can kind of see some hot spots. And you'll also notice there's a scale on the side there letting us know what those temperature ranges are. At the bottom it's 83 degrees. The max temp in that field of view right now is 107 degrees. And that's a variable scale. The hotter it gets, the higher that scale is going to go. Same way when we go down to the colder side of things. We're able to have that right there. Now you're looking at this image and you're going, well, that's great because it tells me if something's getting hot down in my engine space, but it doesn't quite help me out. I don't know what I'm looking at. That's where we can go back into video setup. We can go to image mode and we can go to MSX. Now that is our blended view of our viewable, visible camera and our IR for infrared. And now you can start to see the outline of the generator and all of that. So now we can really get a good handle on what's going on in our engine space or our machinery room. Maybe you have a generator separate from your mains or something. And the other thing is, guys, is I go ahead and I'm going to actually switch the cameras because we have 2 of them on there. I'm going to switch this over to our engine page, and you're going to notice there is a target in the middle of that screen right there. And in the top left, it's actually a temperature that is changing. Right now it says 85 degrees. That is giving us pinpoint temperature readings on that spot right there. Now, even though we are in our daylight mode. Same thing again here. If I go to video setup, and I go to image mode, and I go to MSX, now we're going to get a really nice picture of what is happening in our main engine space. And this is all from a very compact IP-based camera. And guys, this camera also has a built-in light to it. So if it's in a low light situation where that daylight viewable camera isn't quite cutting it, you can come in through your MFD and turn the light on the camera and light up the space and get a really good view of what's happening. So that, guys, is the Raymarine FLIR Marine Thermal Monitoring System camera, formerly known as the AX8. If you guys want to know more about it or thinking about maybe you got a new build in process or maybe you want to think about adding this to your current MFDs, reach out to us, sales@navtronics.com. We'd love to talk to you. And maybe you got an application you'd like to see us do for this, leave it down below in the comments. And we'll see you guys again next week with something cool.